Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video and honestly, I'm just a beginner hobbyist, learning as I go. So I started keeping fish a while back, mostly guppies at first. I was really excited, but I'll be honest, I didn't really know what I was doing. Some of them didn't make it, and yeah, some of them became traps. It was tough to accept, but I took it as a lesson. Now I'm trying to do better. I've been reading more, learning from other hobbyists here on YouTube, and slowly improving. Right now, I have this planted tank as a small trial for my aquascaping journey, and I've started a little swordtail project. I'm not an expert breeder, but I really want to share my journey, wins and fails, with you all. So if you're new like me or even experienced and just enjoy seeing how others grow in the hobby, stick around. Let's learn together, make mistakes together, and hopefully raise some beautiful and healthy fish. Thanks for watching my very first video.